we're going to start a warm up. Basically, this is going to be nice fun. I have to keep watching out. I've got a drone set up in the air, okay, where you can literally see where I'm working on. I'll which is basically Asia. Okay, so we'll as the first thing. Okay, you will go hard if you would like to, but I'm going to consider myself as a beginner. So I'm going to go slow. I'm going to go slow as possible because my heart is not in great shape. Okay, so I'm definite that in the next 60 days I'm going to change myself. I'm going to hit at least about a 10 kg weight loss. I think I'm going to move a little bit this side because I want to be safe on the drone. I have to keep an eye because if I move forward, it's going to move forward. So basically, you're going to start off with high knees, which is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going like that. But I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to keep turning myself to where the camera is. Pull the abs in, breathe normally. Make sure that whatever you do, you are doing at 40% or 45% of your heart rate or your capacity. Keep that in mind. Don't exceed more than that. If you're going to do more than that, you will probably not like yourself. You're going to get tired soon, and then you feel, why am I even doing it? You will even forget about saying that, to get fit, forget weight loss, forget getting fit. It looks like a torture. You got that? So these are the things that you need to keep in mind. So you don't need to push at all. You absolutely don't need to push. You just have to enjoy your 30 minutes. Keep in mind that you just enjoy your do that. Nothing like it. That's fantastic. Uh, we're gonna go into a jumping jack. We know jumping jack is like this, but I'm gonna step out like this, and I'm gonna move. Today is the testing time for my drone battery. How long is it gonna last? I've got a phone also which is recording. Let's see how it's gonna be. Just move the legs, move the legs. It's nice to shoot like this, but I identified a lot of places where I can really work out. I identified so many places. Okay, you can see some big waves behind me. I can really see some big waves. We're gonna go run for a while like this, then pick up the coin. We're gonna go like this, then pick up the coin. We're gonna go like this, pick up the coin. Yeah, I have to watch out. You can see my drone is moving different directions because it is not able to figure out what is that guy is doing. It is trying to protect yourself. Do you see that? Keep going because I have to watch out because it has got its own computer brain, so it can go forward, it can go back, it can drain itself out, bend itself. Extend the back leg, extend the back leg. Move, move. This is so fantastic. It's about, we're gonna go to light jog. The sun is right up there into my eyes, so I gotta watch out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move forward. I should have brought my things. I should have brought my things. Just jog. I'm worried there's a dog coming. Can you see it? Yeah. I have to have eye on this. We're gonna go. We're gonna punch. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. I can feel my glutes. You call it ass burning. We're gonna move light. You can go hard if you want to, as long as it is under 40-45% of your capacity heart rate. There's no need to stress. Day one, you don't need to stress. You are in a better condition, I understand. Punch down, punch down, punch down, punch, 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 punch. As long as I got my face in front of the camera, it is not going to do anything crazy. But see, it is moving. I have to be careful. Come on, keep punching, keep punching. We're not going to stop. The idea is 30 minutes. We're just going to keep ourselves active. Let's see what it does when I don't have my head towards the camera. Punch, punch. What is it going to do? What is it doing, people? Punch. Do you see? I think they're all army people. Come on, keep punching. If I move, I need to be moving left, right. If I move, it is moving. We're going to go into butt kicks. Butt kicks basically is, this is your butt, kick the butt. It's like this. Okay, I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go this way. Am I too far away? Because I've got this, the recording thing, the voice recorder here with me on my cap. I'm going to turn. Make sure that you point your toes down when you actually make it happen. If you start listening to me, do exactly what I tell you, you will see tremendous change in the week. Much more progress in 2 weeks, a lot more in 3. In 2 months, you'll be like, bloody hell, what's happened to you? How is that you've changed so much? We're gonna go, see, in, out, again, in, out, this side, in, out, go, in, out. You will see, I'm gonna build a big group here, in this place. I'll make people follow me. I'll make them fit. So it will inspire me for me to keep going. You understand? I also needed a reason for me not to stop because there have been a number of starts, but also has a number of stops. So I've had starts, I've had stops. I don't want that to be happening with me. You got that? I don't want that to be happening. There are 2 little girls going. You want to join? We are recording. Come. See, I invite. My calves are burning. Is your calves burning? Because I was on the toes. We're gonna do fantastic, people. People, everybody on the planet has to get fit. Come on. Now, just tap under your thighs. Lift that knees up. Hey, how is that I'm not getting tired? I thought I'm gonna get tired by now. It's not happened. That's something new to me. I don't even know what the time is. If I go close to lift the knees up. Do you see the people there? 2, a couple, I think. See how fit they are. People in Lombok that I've seen. Nobody's obese. There's a camera. You wanna come? Come. Stay with me for about 5 minutes. Come on. Yeah. That's how I make contacts. I don't make friends. I make contacts. Oh, I didn't tell you. You're doing foot. If you think this is slow, it is slow. Because I'm just going to understand myself. Because I know who I am. I'm going to get back to who I was. Being fit, being fast. There are people running. Gotta watch out. That's the drone. See? Come on, jog a bit. Be excited. Stay with me. If you're getting bored, don't get bored. It takes a while. It really takes a while to start. You need really somebody to start. Let me talk this in, because then you can start following me from what shape to what shape I would have come. Yeah, good. Keep moving. I just have to keep worrying about how much battery do I have got left. For that, I need to go there. If I go there, that little darling is gonna get moving. Now, you're gonna step up and kick. Step back, step up, kick. We're gonna go back, come forward, confuse the drone, go back. See? That's the best part. You set it on the distance and then, come on, try to keep your legs straight. I'm the laziest person on planet when it comes to stretching. You shouldn't be like that. Yeah, come on. Looks easy. It is. If you take a little more steps than what you can, then you'll understand what I'm talking about. I should have had water with me. The water is there. I'm worried about what it will do when I go, because it went almost to the trees. I've lost a drone like that. It broke in pieces and I can't afford to break another. Not that I can't buy again and again. It'll look foolish. It will look foolish. And one of the reasons why I was not shooting or recording was, or starting, because even though I bought this microphone, see, my legs are getting better. Yeah, it's better to walk out in the sun. Yeah, it wasn't recording properly. Today I said, whatever it is, even if I don't get it, I'm gonna record this, go back and do voiceover. Do you see? That's what I thought. Now, what you're gonna do is lift it, lift your legs. Yeah, I'm gonna get a big board. I'm gonna write my script there. Yeah, and then walk out. Yeah, you should come here. If I can extend my visa, it's been a month since I'm here. I'll extend it for 5 more months. You can come in with a C1 visa for 2 months. If you just need for a stay, food, travel is 50,000 a month. That's it. That's it. Don't tell me you don't earn 50,000 a month. You do, but you want to keep it in the bank. You want to lock it up in the bank. For what? For the bank to enjoy? For the bank to lend it to somebody? For the bank to make interest on it? Why are you doing that? Spend it on yourself. I'm not spending on myself. I am. Come on, swing. I want to get to the floor, do some floor workout. I need to go. Just check the battery. What is it going to do? Let's see. I'm going to bring this closer to me. What is it doing? I got 10 minutes of battery life. That's okay. It's there. Yeah. I don't know how much minutes we've been doing. Come on, keep going. I'm worried what is it going to do. I'm very worried. 14 minutes, 10, 25 minutes. That's a good workout. Hey, no. You don't go. Because that bugger, he gets scared. He runs away. He's looking at me. Not that. I get it, okay? Come on, jog. Get the knees a little higher. If you can't run like this, just get up. If you can see me, fantastic. I'm recording it in a 4K camera. Come on. I'm recording it in a 4K camera. Look at the people there. Come. Get it up. They're not obese here. From the prime fit. The tourists come. They just chill, you know. Such a quiet island. We're gonna go in and out. I'll show it to you. See, in and out, out, in and out. In and out, out, in and out. Let's go faster. I got tired. I don't know. It'll take about 30 days for me. If it is a beginner, it will take longer. Because I know the strengths, I know the weakness. I've been doing for years. You got that? Just to get to understand who a person is, that will take time. I am not sure if this fellow is recording my voice. Shall we go into a small squat? Just go squat, come up on your toes. I'm getting tired. Can you see that? Put your chest up, bring your butt down, get up. Indians shouldn't have an issue for all this because we squat. We work the best when we were using Indian toilets. What happened? We wanted Western culture. Black. I hate that. Come on. When you come up, bring the legs together. Down, up. Oh, did you feel that? Oh, yeah. Yo. That's kind of crazy. Don't you think that's crazy? It is crazy. Down, up. Yeah. Oh, that's too much. Goes easy. What you should do, you're squatting, bring the leg up, take it back, squat. We'll get better. In time to come, we will get better. You should remember this day, how you did. You should also remember how I did. And give it a time, some time. And you see how you will do. Bloody hell. You will do amazing. Believe me, you will do amazing. Life is short. Better learn how to enjoy it. Just jog on the spot. Keep the legs wide. Yeah, like imagine you were a boxer and then shifting weight from left to right, or left to right. Move the shoulders, rock the shoulders. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Bring the shoulders in front like this. Like this way. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Jump, 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 jump. So imagine we are professional boxers, which we're not. We're gonna go this way. Come on, get your elbows up. Why? Why are you coming back? It's going back. Why? Why? I think the battery's. I think the battery's over. We'll shoot again. Oh, that's safe. It didn't last long. That's okay.